how to turn off comments on your Facebook profile picture post. So what you want to do is go to your profile page by clicking on your top left of your screen, and you want to scroll down until you find the post where you update your profile picture, where it says updated their profile picture. And after that, you want to click on the three dots on the post and tap on who can comment on this post. Then you want to change it to profiles and pages you mentioned. Then click done. And there you go. Right now, only you or other people that you mention in your post can comment on the post. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.